Your car might start fine, but then it suddenly dies as soon as it warms up, or maybe it refuses to start at all while the check engine light mocks you from the dashboard. This is likely the P2634 code, which points directly to a high voltage situation in your fuel pump by control circuit. Think of your fuel pump as the heart of your car, and this control circuit is the electrical pulse that tells it when to beat. When the engine control module detects a voltage that is higher than it should be, it stores this code to prevent potential damage. This isn't something you want to ignore because an erratic fuel mixture can lead to serious engine trouble down the line. To start your diagnosis, look under the vehicle near the fuel tank where the connectors and wiring are exposed to road debris, water, and salt. It is very common for these wires to get corroded or for a ground strap to shake loose. You should use an OBD2 scanner to check all related modules, like the fuel injection or turbo control modules, because they all talk to each other over the CAN bus system. A great pro tip is to test the ground circuit using an auxiliary ground cable from a separate battery ground. If the problem disappears with the temporary ground, you have found your culprit in the original wiring. Always check for a green crusty ring around your battery terminals or connectors, as that corrosion creates high resistance that triggers these high voltage codes. If you find a break in the wire, I highly recommend soldering the connection and using heat shrink tubing to seal it up tight against the elements. Take your time tracing the wires using a proper wiring diagram from your service manual, and don't be surprised if the light stays off for a few days before coming back. So make sure to complete several drive cycles to confirm the fix is permanent.